Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive bank analysis dashboard on Power BI. This dashboard contains 4 pages, which are KPI Analysis, Customer Analysis 1, Customer Analysis 2, and Trend Analysis. Let us first start with KPI Analysis. This page contains 5 cards, which are total balance, male balance, female balance, house owners balance, renters balance, which are bank balance, total male bank balance, and a slicer to filter based on education. If it is primary, see male bank balance. Total male bank balance is 20 million. Total female bank balance is 14 million. If it's secondary, it's tertiary, it's unknown. Let us jump into our next page, which is customer analysis 1. In this page, you can see total balance by gender using a donut chart, total balance by marital status, total balance by job classification, loan default using clustered column chart, cluster column chart for loan defaulter chart, married, single, and divorced. This is all about this customer analysis 1 page. Let us jump into our next page, customer analysis 2. In this page, I used 3 slicer to filter based on job classification, gender, and name. Clustered column chart to display total customers by age, and a matrix to display value, total balance, average age, average balance, total customer. If I click on education, you can see primary, secondary, tertiary, unknown. If I click on gender, you can see male, female. If I click on job, job classification, blue collar, other white collar, marital. If it's state, see. If I click on blue collar, you can see how it changes. If I click on female, I click on male. This is how this filter works. And let us jump into our final page, which is trend analysis. In this page, I used 4 cards to display total balance, total customer, average age, average balance, and slicer to filter based on quarter, and slicer to filter based on average age, average balance, balance and number of customers, and pie chart to display total balance by gender, by state, by education, by marital status, a card to display total customers and customer month on month, total balance and balance month on month. If I click on quarter 1, see total customers for quarter 1 is 123. If I click on quarter 2, average balance, you can see. If I click on quarter 3 and balance, click on quarter 4, you can see how my dashboard works. And that's all about my dashboard. Thank you.